Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Editing Basics. In this tutorial video, we will be learning how to sign up for Adobe Express on your mobile device. Adobe Express makes it easy to create stunning graphics, videos and web pages right from your mobile device. So here is how you can get started. First of all, go ahead and open your Google Play Store or your App Store. Go to the search box and search for Adobe Express. Once you get to this application in the search result, click on the Install, Get, or the Download button. Wait for the application to download and install, which will take a couple of minutes. Once the app is installed, tap on Open. You will then see this interface where you can sign in or create an account. To create a new account, click on the Create an Account button at the bottom of the screen. On the next page, enter an email address you would like to sign up with. After you do that, go to the Password section and create a password for your account. Once you are done creating a strong password, meeting the criteria right under the password box, click on the Continue button in blue. On the next page, enter the rest of the information such as your first name, last name, and then your date of birth. If you want to be informed with personalized emails about products and services from Adobe, simply tap on this little box at the bottom where it says, "Please contact me via email," and finally click on the Create Account button. Now, you will be able to sign up for Adobe Express account. Your application will pop open automatically, and there you have your new account ready. And that's it! You are now ready to start creating amazing designs with Adobe Express on your mobile device. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.